Cadbury's Dairy Milk Piyush Pandey ad, and that is what made me wonder that who are these people who turn a regular chocolate into beautiful expression, and I want to be that person. When we started off, I mean back in my MBA days, we were 7 classmates who wanted to make a career in advertising and marketing. Cut to 10 years later, I was the only one who was still in advertising. Rest everyone had frizzled out. In this industry, not every agency respects account management. I have, walked out of a job without a job in hand while 27, 28 because I was disrespected at this is my hero product. If you can't solve for this, then I don't need you guys.
And AI now is further.
Traffic jam mein gaadi lagi hai, they roll down the window, you'll expect a Sheng Chana guy. But it's someone with a laptop saying, digital marketing chahiye, coming in there. And it was expected of the account management to figure everybody's dinner.
Here we are back again on Unbound Specials with yet another episode and an unstoppable human. Since the celebration continues, we have yet another woman from marketing this time. Sumitra Sarkar, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Mamta. It's amazing. It's an awesome feeling to be here sharing
To be
with us.
here, yes. All that light camera action.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Born
Bring it
ready.
on.
Yeah. A marketing consultant, a pro and expert, 20 plus years of being in the industry. How has the ride been for you?
It's been fabulous, actually. The ups and downs continue. That's a part of life for any profession, right? But I think, when I was just starting off, at some point, there came in a question saying, what are you doing anything meaningful, right?
True.
So when I started my journey, I was completely awestruck by this concept of how the right kind of branding and marketing can turn a regular product into an emotional connection. And that is what steered me to get into the industry. But few years down the line, sometimes you just sit back and wonder whether is it even adding any value or if it's just business because of as a sense of business. But then someone on the passing told me something very interesting, that this is a sector which creates economies. And that was such a big eye-opener. Right? No, maybe I'm not literally saving lives, but when you look at a brand or a cluster of brands, anything and everything that we do today, it all has a dominoes effect.
Correct.
Right? And feels good to be at a place where you can actually kickstart the domino.
Interesting. But reeling back to your journey, where it all must have started as a child, somebody pursuing academics, education. Was this ever at the back of your mind? Ever? Because I remember these were not popular career choices, right? I mean, we would not know कि TV के पीछे भी कुछ होता है. We're like, TV पे क्या आ रहा है? हमें समझ आ रहा है, but who's creating it? How it's getting done? Obviously, all those Nirma ads and everything. Did you actually take? Did you? Was that the
yes,
trigger
actually
point?
I did.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm one of those rare ones from the advertising cult who strategically planned their academics to be able to get into advertising.
Very smart.
Yeah, I mean, for me, I was still in school, 9th standard actually, when I saw the Cadbury's Dairy Milk Piyush Pandey ad.
Kuch khas
Yes, and the girl grooving, and that is what made me wonder that who are these people who turn a regular chocolate into such an beautiful expression, and I want to be that person. So definitely entertainment ka keeda was one contributor, and the second one was education times.
Oh, okay.
We never had Google.
Yes.
Right? But beyond what your parents or your immediate family
Or
would,
even
would
schools
tell
were
you,
telling you. Yeah, it was,
education times happened, and as luck would have it, there was enough and more material explaining what the advertising, branding, marketing industry is all about, what they do, what are the roles there. And I've always been a creative person,
Yeah.
like, you know, Bengali. My aunt used to be a fabulous painter. She still is. So somewhere those things were already there in the DNA.
Yeah.
And
At least
I had
expression is there in the
exactly
DNA.
exactly. And I had also recently discovered that मैं ठीक ठाक बोल भी लेती हूँ.
आप बहुत
Because
अच्छा
you know, one
बोल
of my
लेते हैं
teachers,
आप.
नहीं, I'm talking about school days, right? One of my teachers had just shoved me into an elocution competition, and you know, I turned out quite good in that, and I was like, oh, this is a talent that I didn't
Yeah.
anticipate I will have. So I'm like, okay, so what is this one career where I can utilize all my skill sets in the most optimal manner?
Right.
And advertising seems to be ticking all the boxes. The most important part is that I hate monotony. And the minute you put that filter in, a lot of my career choices, at least back
Yeah.
then, right? I mean,
Yeah.
it kind of fizzled out, and advertising just tick all the boxes,
Right.
like full caps.
Right.
So I was like, let's go for it.
Right. So if we were to talk about the formal training, after doing your school, you graduated.
I did my graduation with economics as a major. That gave
So
me.
you understood the economic part first only before becoming a
Yeah, but
marketer.
along with that, I also trained myself. Arena Multimedia used to be a big
Yes,
name back in the
yes,
day.
yes, yes.
I actually got convinced my father and got myself enrolled into their 3-year program, which had designing,
Yeah.
animation, editing.
No.
So got all the basics done.
Yeah.
Did my MBA with a marketing specialization.
Yeah.
And the universe also was kind enough to give me the right opportunities. I chanced upon a family contact through which I got my internship at Saatchi and Saatchi, which gave me a lay of the land with one of the leading agencies, and just reaffirmed my belief that this is the field that I want to take.
This is where I belong.
Yes, because when we started off, I mean, back in my MBA days, we were 7 classmates who wanted to make a career in advertising and marketing. And of them, cut to 10 years later, I was the only one who was still in advertising. Rest, everyone had frizzled out. You know? They had kind of either reeled back in saying, no, I don't want to do advertising, or taken media, or gone over to the marketing side, or something or the other. you know?
So, has this triggered any story, idea, or thought in you? Or do you have a story to tell yourself? Then reach out to me at Unbound with Mamta. Write to me at unboundwithamtaa@gmail.com या फिर किसी भी हमारे एपिसोड, स्टोरी, रील या शॉर्ट्स को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें. कीप वॉचिंग अनबाउंड विद ममता.
Coming back to your story as a women leader, things that are like on a top of mind thing कि यार ये 5 चीज़ें करनी चाहिए, ये 5 चीज़ें नहीं करनी चाहिए if you want to get where you really aspire to be, and if you really want a seat at the table. It may not be ambition always. It just could be, like you said, it could be a purpose, it could be a drive to solve a problem. It could just be कि यार I want to at it till I'm on that finish line. You know, that finish line could be 60 for someone, it could be 75, or it could be no day at all. So certain things as women, I would say, because this is, you've been a part of the women special series, and I think somewhere we start to breathe our last too fast too soon. और कुछ वो अपनी self belief के ही issues हैं, you know, before even people tell you, you start buying into those stories. तो क्या वो 5 things हैं जिसको पहले वेट थ्रू कर लो, या 5 वो चीज़ें हैं जो करके देख लो और फिर कह लेना कि this is it.
So, I'll start with the to-do.
Yeah.
First is always try something for at least 100 times before you give up.
Wow.
Because
100 times.
100 times. Because if you haven't done it 100 times, you don't know what the response is. लोग 5 बार करते हैं, 10 बार करते हैं, they say, oh, this is not for me, and they leave it. You haven't tried it enough times.
Okay.
The second is after doing it 100 times, if things are not working, don't do it another 100 times. Try something else.
Another 100 times, but not the same.
Yeah,
thing.
because the fundamental is, making mistakes is not the problem.
Same mistakes.
Repeating mistakes is the
Yeah,
problem.
making same mistakes over and
Exactly,
over. Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
And, we tend to believe more on others than in ourselves.
So true.
Yeah, never.
वो कर लेगा उससे
Never
हो जाएगा।
stop believing in yourself. And not just
Yeah.
वो कर लेगा, वो तो trust हो
Yeah.
गया, faith हो गया, whatever. But somebody telling you,
Yeah.
saying, oh, you're good, or oh, you're bad.
Oh.
You put a lot more weight on it than yourself. And this is the gender problem.
This is the gender problem.
Like, I've been a victim. I know friends who are victims. They're doing very, very well. But there is always this, little sack of self-doubt that you're carrying with you to bed every day. Which is such a sad thing. We can multitask better. We can process things better. So, I'm not saying that, be this egoistic person saying, don't tell me what to do. But don't doubt yourself. If there is something, then just always 5 minutes in a day, just stand and hear yourself, what your heart is saying, what your mind is saying, what your body is saying. This is something that I have learned. There was a time that I used to punish myself or, be harsh on myself, saying, oh, my productivity is bad. I can do so much more. I can do so much more. Till the realization hit that, no, sometimes the body needs a break and those are signals.
Yeah.
You have good day, you have bad days, right?
Yeah. All right. So those were some words of wisdom, and I think we all
Hello?
need to really, really reflect on that. Coming to your personal choices and some quick things that you have to do for us. This is almost towards the end of the show that we
Rapid
are.
fire.
Your favorite holiday destination?
The hills. I last year went to Kanatal. Yeah. And I would
You loved it.
definitely, totally
Yeah.
loved it.
Favorite or comfort food, if I may ask?
Chinese.
Yeah.
Which is chicken Hakka noodles and Manchurian.
All right. One marketing quote that one can see you throw around very often.
That is...
कॉटलर का होगा कोई
हाँ मतलब वो तो इतने हैं that you say one. Like I tell you,
Your
just this morning,
yeah tell us why not
you can buy any car as long as it's black.
all right, your favorite go-to place when you want to unbound. So nothing's going right and the day is haywire and it's all a bad hair day, but there's this one place or some process that you have devised for yourself where you completely unbound.
So my secret there is my car.
Really?
I love driving,
Uh-huh.
so I usually take off.
Uh-huh.
Just find some peaceful area.
And
Just
it could
park.
be any time of the day,
Yeah,
anywhere.
any time of the day. There are times that I go back, I've parked my car, but not 10 minutes I'm just sitting in my car.
Wow. And that may not be only black, right?
Quite the opposite actually.
Okay, one favorite, what should I say, word which you sort of drop in your language a lot? Coming from this profession,
for me, it's always. I think I have this habit of always saying, "You get where I'm coming from, right?"
you get
that.
yeah, interesting. If not for this profession,
What would I have been?
yeah.
Ah, well, you want the real answer or
Real answer, the real answer.
So I think I would have definitely been a researcher,
Yeah.
told by a lot of people. But I think secretly, I've always wanted to be more like a detective.
Oh wow!
Yeah. Then I thought, let me be a lawyer. Then I saw the amount of books. I was like, I can't do this.
So you do read a lot of books.
Yeah, but not see, I'm not someone who can just read out saying year so and so, circa so and so, case so and so. Not me.
Not you.
Not me. I can do synopsis,
Yeah.
not verbatims.
But you can make an interesting detective, that's for
है ना?
sure. That's
Yeah.
something you can pick up anytime.
Yeah. So I just with my jollies were like watching Sherlock,
Yeah.
having those video games,
Video games
etc.
and all, yeah. All right. Any particular book that you kind of is your Bible, you subscribe to, or you keep going back to again and again? You are quite a reader, right?
Yeah.
Is there any one book which is like your guidebook to life, or just you enjoy reading it again and again?
Atlas Shrugged.
Oh, Ayn Rand. All right. One thing which is a must do as a morning routine for you.
Well, I think the first thing that I do when I wake up in the morning is, go say good morning to my little pets.
Yes.
I have a cat and a dog.
Oh, so
So it's
sweet.
always, giving one good morning kiss to my dog.
Cat and a dog both in
Yes,
house. Oh wow.
yes.
Quite a coincidence.
My house is the animal kingdom.
And hidden secret about you, something that nobody knows.
Well, there are a lot.
One that you can obviously publicly
Yeah,
tell.
clearly.
A secret you can publicly tell.
Secret I can publicly tell. So I have this hilarious art of being able to mix two songs and come out with a third song.
Your most useless talent.
When a client says maza nahi hai, I was like, wait, main maza dilati hu."
One thing which is a must do as like a nighttime routine. Have to do it before you
Read.
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 Yeah. Anything.
So it's usually fiction.
Okay.
My Kindle is my bedside mate.
Yeah.
So depending on my flavor of the month,
Yeah.
it is either a sci-fi, fantasy, no-brainer thrillers,
Yeah.
or it could be some serious fiction reading that I'm doing.
Yeah.
But there's always a book by me.
One thing you're most proud about yourself for, like you really credit yourself and you're proud about that. That could be a skill, that could be a talent, that could be a learning, that could be whatever.
I am proud of myself. Period.
Oh.
Yeah, I mean.
full package.
Full package, yeah. Good, bad, ugly, ये एक ही piece है.
It's always so much fun to be doing this with you. All right, and I think I have almost run out of questions. Never have you ever. Just complete this sentence.
Well, never have I ever. You want a serious answer, right?
No, I want an answer. It
You
could
want
be
an
any kind of an answer. Not that you're giving me any serious answers.
All right. Never have I ever gone scuba diving.
Oh,
That's been on my wish list for a while now.
Yeah. The
Soon,
craziest
soon.
thing you've done?
The craziest thing I've done. I got a teacher scolded.
You got a teacher's call?
So like back in school, I was reading from the digest, those
Yeah,
those
the Reader's
where
Digest.
no, not Reader's Digest.
Yeah.
So in Maharashtra, the SSC
Okay.
board back in the day, that was the only
Yeah,
board
yeah,
that was commonly available, and then you used to have these summary books.
Acha. Yes, of course. Yeah.
Pre-exams, you
Yes,
typically
yes.
just pick up those
Yeah,
books. So my seat was right near the window, and I was just flipping through, the short answers,
Yeah,
etc. And the principal, so I was from a convent school, so it's like,
Yeah.
the convents
The
types,
convents,
right?
yeah.
And she just came and flicked the book out of my hand. She said, meet me after your exams. I was like, okay, cool. So after the exams, went to meet her. And she's like, why are you reading from this? That the class teacher teaches you. And like, so I was like, notebook is in the house. But, big answers, pointers, etc.
Yeah.
It's all ready here.
Concise, yeah.
Yeah, and she's like, so why is it not there in your notebook? I said, because the teacher tells us to just, mark it on the book itself.
Yeah.
So it's not written. So in the book, there are so many things marked.
Yeah,
saying,
yeah.
where will you keep flipping? Yeah, it's already reckoner.
Yeah.
So next thing I know,
The teacher got scolded. All for good, guys.
All for good, all for good. Yes,
for good.
yes.
For the greater good of the society. I think this has totally been a fabulous session. Like
Likewise,
always,
likewise.
It's awesome to hear your joy, your journey, your purpose, and so much you inspire, yeah. So much
Thank
you
you.
give us, like in terms of our own belief. And thank you for being who you are.
Thank you so
A
much.
little bit of a torch bearer and a little bit of a change leader in that sense.
So I don't know about torch and all. It is just like,
अच्छा matchstick कर देते हैं यार ठीक है
you have
whatever
one
it is.
life. Yeah. Just live it.
Yes. One quick thing for the viewers, for the women, for the entrepreneurs, for the young professionals making a start, not wanting to make a start, wanting to make a start, something that you would want to say.
Well, don't let the world tell you what to do and what not to do. You should be telling the world what you should do.
Wow. So simple and so powerful. Thank you. Thanks for coming all unbounded and unfiltered on the show.
Thank you for having me over. Rare places where you can just be your unfiltered version, right?
One good word about us, please.
Well, if you want to really know anyone and anything at the deepest level, this is the place to be.
Oh.
Like absolutely raw.
Yes, absolutely raw. Let's keep unbounding together.